Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. So I went to a yard sale yesterday and found a bunch of vintage Barbies and clothes and bought it all for 40 bucks. And of course I had to show you guys. So first up are the broken ones. There's this random Ken head and there is also a Ken body. This was a Skipper doll and her head is off. And then this doll, her hair literally fell out in my hand when I touched it. She did do something. She has a hole in her bottom and a button on the front. I would say this is the most interesting Barbie in the lot, but it's actually not. But this one took me by surprise. I thought it was homemade until I did a little research and found out it was made so kids could sleep with their Barbie. This is apparently Prince Adrian. When I first saw this Ken, I thought it was a Matthew McConaughey doll. I did a little research. The only thing I could find was that it was a 1968 Ken doll. I'm not sure if that's correct. There are quite a few Barbies. I have no idea what they are, and this is one of them. This doll is from the 90s. It was Stacy's friend, and they were gymnasts. I think her name is Whitney. We have another Skipper doll. Unfortunately, somebody did cut her hair, so it's very uneven. These next few, I'm not sure what Barbie they are. This was a Western Barbie, and I do have the jacket and the hat and one boot that she came with. I believe this is Diva from Barbie and the Rockers. I could be wrong. I'm not, an expert or anything. But I'm excited I got one of the rockers. I had some as a kid, so. This is a sunflower doll from the 90s. This is definitely the weirdest doll in there. I'm not sure what she is. This is the hat that goes with the Cowgirl Barbie. These are some black Ken sandals, some white Ken shoes, a pink tiara, a sailboat necklace, some pink Barbie heels, a pink cell phone. There were two little plates and this little duffel bag and that purple cup that's rolling away. And then there was a little pillow, a comforter, and a smaller blanket. There were a couple of random little, Chelsea doll sized outfits. This dress is really cute. Looks like it's from the 80s, but it is in pretty rough shape. These next few clothing items, most of them are handmade. This is the swimsuit undergarment pile. I'm not sure what this first one is, if it was just kind of a ruffle that went over an outfit. To me, this looks like a little sleep outfit. It is shorts on the bottom. Unfortunately, one of the lace straps is broken, but I think it would be a pretty easy fix. This swimsuit is really cute, but it has a strap that's broken as well. These two purple bikinis are skipper bikinis. There is a pair of socks, a random bathing suit bottom, and then I'm not sure if this is a bathing suit top or a little bra. Next we have the shorts and the skirts. We've got a black pair of shorts, a yellow pair of shorts, a green daisy pair of shorts, and a pink pair of shorts. I actually think this one is a dress. This one confuses me. It looks like a long blue jean skirt, but it has this weird white thing on the back. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, maybe it's a belt. I wonder if that goes with the Western girl. There is a little red skirt, and I really like this hot pink skirt. It has a little like tulle stuff underneath to make it kind of stick out a little bit. I think it's cute. Here are the pants. There's a couple of pink patterned pants. I'm not sure what this jumpsuit is. These silver ones, I'm wondering if they belong with the Barbie and the Rockers, the Barbie outfit. These scream the 80s to me. This is a little sleeveless jumpsuit. I believe these pants go with one of the Barbie and the Rockers dolls. I could be wrong though. I love this little jacket. One of the cuffs is missing, so the sleeve is kind of fraying at the end. I think this is a cape. I'm pretty sure it's homemade. I love this jacket too. In doing some research, I thought this came on one of the Barbie and the Rocker Diva dolls, but when I went back to look, I couldn't find it, so I'm not sure. I believe this jacket came with Barbie of Barbie and the Rocker. In one of them, she had an extra outfit, and I think this was the jacket. Of course, this is the Cowgirls jacket. This jacket looks so familiar to me. I'm not sure if I had it growing up or my cousin had it, but somebody I know had it. There were two pair of Ken shorts or swim shorts. I love this top too. It just screams the 80s for me. This little butterfly shirt comes with a matching jacket. It does have a stain on it, but I haven't washed any of these clothes yet, so I'm hoping some of the stains will come out. This is another homemade outfit. It is a little like jacket blazer and a matching skirt. This outfit also looks familiar to me. Somebody I know had this in the 80s. I think these are pants, but they're not in very good shape. I'm not sure if this is for Ken or Barbie. I did try it on in Ken and it was really tight, so it may be for Barbie. For some reason, I love this little blue dress. It does tie on the shoulders and the back is kind of crisscrossed. I think it reminds me of, you know, a little pair of overalls or something. I was so excited to get Barbie and the Rockers clothes. It just takes me right back to my childhood. I'm pretty sure I had this pink t-shirt. I thought I would try on just a few of the outfits. So I was faced with the dilemma of where am I going to store all of these clothes? How am I going to photograph them for my thumbnail? So I decided I would build a little vintage thrift store. I started with a full sheet of foam board. I measured over 11 inches from the right side and I cut through the foam board without going all the way through so that it could bend. I used these wooden dowels and cut them down to make a clothing rack. And I took some jumbo popsicle sticks and cut the rounded edges off and glued them up above that to make a shelf. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.